Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today is Monday, the 13th of September, and we are glad to present you our weekly analytical review of the foreign exchange market. Last week, the pair Euro/USD continued to correct downwards and reached 1.1813, below which it is now. Further decline is possible to 1.1715 and 1.1663. After the breakout of the local maximum at 1.1881, quotes may resume growth to the global resistance level of 1.1954. In the near future, the downward scenario looks more likely, since the range of EMA fluctuations on the alligator indicator began to actively narrow, and the histogram of the AO oscillator is approaching the purchases zone. The continuation of the decline seems more likely, but growth after consolidation above 1.1881 cannot be ruled out either. Last week, the pair GBP/USD continued its correctional upward movement and ended trading at 1.3831. Currently, the price is making an attempt to continue its growth, but the resumption of the uptrend will only be possible after consolidation above the local July maximum at 1.3959. In this case, growth will continue to 1.4206. If the level of 1.3959 is not broken out, the decline will resume to 1.3747 and 1.3601. Technical indicators already gave a new buy signal. Fast EMAs on the alligator indicator crossed the signal line from below, and the AO oscillator histogram has already reached the transition level. Continued growth seems more likely, but a possible decline cannot be completely ruled out. Last week, the pair USD/JPY continued to trade in a lateral channel and finished trading at 109.90. The global decline may continue to 109.16 and 107.84. The level of 110.55 in the area of the local maximum of August is the key for the bulls. After its breakout, growth may continue to 111.53. However, a noticeable rise in quotes looks less likely in the near future, since the range of EMA fluctuations on the alligator indicator is completely narrowed, and the AO histogram is approaching the transition level, forming downward bars. The continuation of a decline is likely, but one cannot exclude the beginning of growth after the breakout of 110.55. Last week, the pair AUD/USD demonstrated active growth and ended trading at 0.7350. After the breakout of the local resistance at 0.7456, the price can continue rising to 0.7579. If the instrument consolidates below 0.7291, this will give the prospect of a further decline to 0.7118. Technical indicators continue to hold a strong buy signal. Fast EMAs on the alligator indicator crossed the signal line from below, and the AO oscillator histogram is in the purchases zone. Generally, the continuation of the decline is possible, but one cannot exclude growth if the price consolidates above 0.7456. Gold quotes continue to trade in a lateral trend, and last week the price again dropped below 1800. In case of a reversal, the decline may continue to 1761. However, it seems more likely that the price will remain within an uptrend and continue growing to 1829 and 1871. Technical indicators continue to keep the global buy signal, but have noticeably narrowed the range of fluctuations. EMA's fluctuations on the alligator indicator have become minimal, and the histogram of the AO oscillator is approaching the transition level. The continuation of growth seems more probable, but a decline cannot be excluded if the price consolidates below 1761. That's all for today, and good luck with your trading.